Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about this woman where they act Edo movie. I beg my people, una remember this woman or Robosa where they act Mama Akbaka that time. This woman, you don't say where she dey act film. Many of una go know this woman that time. This woman just cry, come out now, say, in dey sick. The whole social media don't catch fire. If you see belle, e don big. He say, he no know, say, he get fibroid for belle ever since. Now, the thing don too over big now. And they need money to take do the surgery for am. Now she cry come out now say make the old Nigerians, make the old world help am. Say make she not meme. I shocked when I see this video just now. I shocked her like say I been even be queen no say na the woman self. Now when me come dey see her just now. Now come say na the woman. I beg, Mona not let this woman meme just like that. I beg. Nigerians, may we help this woman, not be only to the spray money for party. I beg. I use God where they heaven. Say beg una. May we help this woman. This woman needs our help. I beg. And nothing is too big, nothing is too small. All those now this time we're supposed to show una talent now. Una where they spray so money for party. Una where they do say una too get money for that Edo there. Now this time we supposed to see the money where una get now. This time now we supposed to know say una really get money. I beg. May una really help this woman. Not be only to they spend money unnecessary. This woman where they sick now. Now he really needs our help now. Even me where they go contribute. This woman now we need to help right now. Because this woman, as I dey talk to her, if you not help this woman now, this woman go meme. So now the help where this woman needs now for us, may we join us together to help this woman. I beg. I beg the old Nigerians, may we support this woman. May we help this woman. This woman need our help badly. He say he no know, say na fibroid, na dey abele. In the think say na just normal sickness, e go finish. But she no know, say the thing don't be like this. I beg. I use God where they heaven, say beg una. Make we help this woman. Make this woman not meme. Make this woman not meme. I bet the money where some of una get for that Edo state now let to just just they enjoy the spray. We're not going to visit help person where they sick. I beg, may we help this woman. This now that we want to know whether I really get money for that Edo. Now we want really know whether or not they really they cooperate. Now we want really know whether I could be really the Edo industry. Now we want really know. Now we go really know now. May we help this woman. I know this woman that time. I don't can remember saying that they share they go since. I don't even be queen no. He said not the show for movie again because of this Abele. I remember this woman that year. I remember that year. I don't even know say that she be this one. This thing shockalize me now. I beg, me we help this woman. I beg. I use God to beg una. I beg. Now beg me the beg una. May we help this woman. This woman need our help badly. I use God to beg una. May we help this woman. Hey, may this one not see go. Now remember the time we okay they sick now. The way all of us sit support her. May we say support this woman like that. And I beg my people. I beg. May we support this woman. May she not just still go like that. Not be we should come still go now. Come they say I die no. When the one rag banana, she just cry, come out by herself now. May we help this woman, I beg. May we help this woman. This woman need our help. This woman need our help. This woman need our help. Oh. You need our help for this woman go just still go like that. I'm not no say fibroid not be waiting good. It's not good at all. e not just good for belle at all. See the thing don't even over big. The way her belle be, so e not just good. And this thing na urgent. Urgent. Now we supposed to do this thing now. I beg my people, make we help this woman. This woman need our help. Make she not just still go like that. And she just still cry, come back. Now social media now come make everything dey easy for everybody. Social media don't make everything dey easy for everybody now. So now for us to help this woman now. I beg. What do you not think? May we help this woman. May this woman not go like that. I beg my people. Now say make I do this short video. Man, I tell you now. May we help this woman. May this woman not just see go like that. So before we come, they say, oh, supposing we know for help am. I beg. May we help this woman. Oh, may we help am. I use God where they have to beg una. I beg all of una. I beg the whole Nigerians. I beg the whole Edoians industry. Wanna help me share this video. Make una help me share this video. Make everybody help this woman. Now this kind of people now we supposed to help. This kind of people now need our help. Oh. This kind of people now need our help. I beg. I use God where they have. Take beg una. Mona help this woman. May we help this woman the way she be so. It's not just good for I at all. It's not just good. It's not good for I at all. I beg my people. May we support this woman. I beg my people, may we support this woman. May the whole Nigerians, may we help this woman. I know say we get big people for that Edo state there. You understand? We dey see now, we dey see where. You understand? So now this kind of people now really need our help. Oh. If we leave this woman, make it go like that, it not go good though, my people. It not go good at all. So now this short video I say make I just do. Tell our people, say, see the one we can see the happen again now. You know, so my darling people, wanna help me share the video. Thank you, my ogbonge people. Bye, everybody. Bye.
If you don't know women, I don't know what I don't know this. Wala wo meno osuwa orobosa no yo no yija pakaya lifo. Egbe mara me ibi ebo me wala wo wa egu me wu. Wa tun ame wa mi me fa. Egbe mara me yi. Kete ni ade mo pori la je le joba no te kore la no. Egbe mu me ko me ti gbagbe. Ìbálẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ fẹ́bọ̀tẹ̀ ẹ lọ ẹgbẹ́ níjà ẹ̀ ọgbàgbé mọ́ ìyẹn wo ni tóbi gbòmí nínú ẹgbọ́ ẹ̀dá túnà tí ẹlùwà láàgbogbo olùwà ẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ mi ẹ̀dọ̀rẹ̀ olùwà láàgbogbo ìyàwó nílé 2 million ẹ̀gbọ́ níyà àdè ìrẹ́ ìyàká ẹ̀dẹ̀ tí ẹgbẹ̀rẹ̀ ìrẹ́ yẹyẹ wákẹ́ ìjọbọ̀ rẹ̀ ẹ̀dá túnà tí ẹlùwà láàgbogbo olùwà mímẹ́fà no what to have when I will correct back with you in the way you take like I say that. Oh, why did you? Different friends, you only see your baby and baby. Yeah, we don't like back with you. Well, I will wait to me when I will go with your body. What to have it? Well, I will go, well, I will go. And why I told you somewhere to where fair. Well, I will go. Well, I will go.